evening, guys. This is again Pink Mom R, and so another evening, another place to visit. Today we are here in one of the most beautiful places that I have been as a restaurant.
Hello guys, we are here in a Japanese restaurant. We will be eating ramen tonight. So this is the second floor, guys, of the place. It's very nice actually.
Actually, the combination of the lights, guys, is really magnificent. It adds beauty to the place. And from here, you can view the first floor. If you are here in Jeddah, guys, try to visit this place. It's really nice.
This is here in Davao. So the place is very nice. Actually, it's already 1 a.m. and we are craving for ramen, so that's why we are coming here to eat ramen. OMG.
This is the second floor of the restaurant, guys, and from here you can view these beautiful lights from downstairs. So captivating and so magical. It actually feel you more relaxed and comfortable to the place.
So, yan na pa rin ang aking mga kasama, guys. The beautiful Risa and Lori. Yeah.
Really a perfect place to unwind. So we're going down now, guys, to take our orders.
Diyan kami sa corner. Kasi Amina. The beautiful Amina. Wow.
Wow talaga, guys, ang place kasi talagang maganda talaga siya. Nakaka-amaze talaga yung mga lights. And then, masasarap din daw ang mga food. So, for our orders, ito yung mga pagkain namin kakainin ngayon, guys. Actually, hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan yan. Nakiki-order lang ako. Dahil sila, mas familiar sila at palagi na silang pumupunta dyan. So, yan ang mga kasama ko today. Yan ang aking in-order. So tempting. And so yummy actually. Sulit din yung mga binayad kasi masarap din talaga yung pagkain na ni-serve. As what they say, kahit mahal, basta ang importante, you will be satisfied with the taste, right? So, samahan nyo kami guys sa aming pagkain dito sa Davao. Actually, parang after some time, mag-close na itong restaurant na ito because it's already early in the morning. And alam mo naman, dito sa Middle East, most of the time, ang mga mall at saka mga kainan, they are closing late because dahil nga sa weather, gano'n. So, most of the time, mas alive na alive sila paggabi kaysa umaga. Yan yung complimentary drink na binigay nila prior sa aming pag-order before. And they have a surprise also for me. They gave us a complimentary donut. And they sang happy birthday to me. So, it was third part na ng aking celebration ng aking birthday. Kasi niloko lang namin yung waiter kanina na it's my birthday. So, in the end, talagang nag-give in sila tapos nag-prepare sila ng parang surprise din para sa akin kasi akala nila birthday ko pa talaga. Which in fact, hindi ko na talaga birthday. Sinabi lang yun namin na birthday ko. And good thing din, di din naman sila nag-ask ng proof kung talagang birthday ko ba or hindi. Basta na lang, nag-offer sila ng kanilang complimentary donut, tapos nagkanta, gano'n. So, masaya lang. Actually, parang birthday ko pa rin. Parang ilang days na tong birthday ko na celebration. Parang gano'n. So, sa crew ng Dabao Restaurant here in Jeddah, thank you so much for the surprise. And I really appreciate it so much, your effort to make your guests happy. So, ito na yun guys, yung pagbigay nila sa akin ng donut. Ayan. Na may candle, may pa-candle pa yan sila dyan. May pa-music pa. So, diba, nakakataba lang din ang puso. Ayan. Diba, nakaka-surprise talaga guys at nakaka-happy lang. My wish for my birthday today is good health lang para sa akin guys. And hopefully someday I can spend my birthday with my family. So, yan lang po ang wish ko. And then, sa mga taong nag-extend sa akin ng mga birthday wishes, I hope na kung ano man ang wish nila sa kanilang life, ay matupad din nila. Ganon. And they will have a healthy and happy life too. So, actually, it's another memorable day for me. At yan, of course, kailangan nating mag-pictures para proof or para sa memories natin. Yan. Actually, konti lang yung mga pinictures namin. That's all for today, guys. I hope you like my video today. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, Pink Mom RN. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. God bless everyone. Bye. See you in my next vlog.